accompanied me to the hospital. Okay, she had work of her own. We're at the post office. I think I know what I'm gonna call this vlog. I'm John Cena. No.
This is the body of someone who does not exercise anymore.
No, opposite hand, like.
Wait.
Yeah.
No. I
Just got our photos taken. He said he'd come back for us in 10 minutes. I don't know if he got scammed or what, but let's see. And it was somebody's bright idea. Guys, we just filmed a reel in public.
Achievement.
I'm
We are
shaking.
someone who never films in public.
Two introverts decided to become extroverted.
And it was a struggle. Please look forward to our reel because I look like chimpanzee.
We look like our ancient ancestors. Guys, look at this. We got a photo. Summertime sadness. Damn, why'd they stop playing it as soon as I started to jam? Oh.
Why are you